In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Fire Cube when it's not responding to the remote, covering IR sync, reset, and battery fixes. First, check the batteries in your Fire Cube remote. Replace them with fresh ones and ensure they're inserted correctly. Weak or dead batteries are the most common cause of remote issues. Make sure there's a clear line of sight between the remote and the Fire Cube's IR sensor. Remove any objects that might block the signal. Try resetting the remote by removing the batteries and pressing all buttons once. Then reinsert the batteries and test it again. If your Fire Cube uses Bluetooth, try repairing the remote. Press and hold the home button for about 10 seconds until the LED light starts flashing. Then follow on-screen instructions to reconnect. Restart your Fire Cube by unplugging it from power for 30 seconds. Then plug it back in and test the remote again. Check if any other devices nearby could cause interference and move them away if needed. If these steps don't fix the issue, the remote might be faulty and need replacement. Following these tips should get your Fire Cube remote working and responding again. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.